How did I snatch 69 kilos? Oh.
Love this song.
Yeah.
Attitude Nation salute!
She fucking broke this shit!
Christy!
Yeah.
Is that good?
Let's go. Jerry, push. Push! Come on, dude! Keep pushing! Keep pushing! Do not quit! Do not quit! Whoa! That's the hardest thing you've ever done in your life.
Oh my God.
That was by far the longest.
I've never worked that hard. Commit to it!
So much higher. It's getting higher.
That was closer. Last time you threw this time we still did this after. On the next time you probably power snatch. Yeah, next time might be
Oh!
I wanted to save that list so bad.
If that bar feels like 25, no question.
Told you the weights feel fucking dense today. They're like, these guys are laughing at me. I'm telling them like, I don't know why, I don't know how to describe it, but today the weights just feel like
They're not even pen lays.
like
Not even family.
If you have pen lays on, I know what you're talking about, but
no, like they don't. I don't know, like
don't work same.
they don't feel soft and fluffy. They feel like fucking. They feel like fucking heavy.
The weight. Oh, Danny. Oh, Danny.
I don't know.
Isolation. Oh shit! Ah! Oh, 24, bitch.
Oh.
Fuck, man.
Yep.
It's a grinder. I don't have to pick that shit up off the ground. Holy shit. The grinder. it.